Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to open Task Manager in laptop. Okay, Task Manager is basically a software designed by Windows to control your application works, and you can simply track any application and close that application. Otherwise, you can terminate that application. Also, found how much disk is using, how much CPU is using, how much RAM is using by that particular application. So there is a shortcut. It is very simple. Just press Ctrl Shift Escape anywhere from your laptop, then you will get this task manager. Okay, this is a shortcut. Ctrl Shift Escape. Otherwise, you can open this task manager by searching it. Click on your start menu, then go to search. Okay, then you can start searching about task manager. Then you can see the result. Click on that, then you will get this task manager. Okay, and also you can right click from here to pin this one to taskbar. Okay, then you can simply access from the taskbar to get this application. So if you are an advanced user, task manager one of your favorite application in Microsoft, because many application get stuck or not closing. You can simply right click here, like right click, just like, and click on in task, then that will be close. So it will be help you to close hanging applications. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.